a glimpse of the rain-affected regional Super 50 game between the Jamaica Scorpions and the Barbados Pride today. Sufficing to say that the rain almost saved the Scorpions. It's a good thing I've been long emotionally detached from West Indies and indeed Jamaica cricket. If that emotional detachment was not fully activated, it would be a crying maverick this evening. The quality is so poor. I mean, the overall standard of West Indies cricket is poor. And within that lack of quality, Jamaica, as the biggest and boastiest country in the region, we are basically at the bottom of the barrel. When it comes to quality, the man them cannot bat. Picking out the feelers on the boundary, playing across the line, playing back to full deliveries, and then worse, cannot bowl. This is just totally unequivocal rubbish cricket by the Jamaicans, known as the Scorpions. Who nasty?